Oh God.
Christina is
Okay, let's go hit the check. I can't do that.
a delight.
All right, listen, I'm not some bubbly chick. I'm not gonna say hi.
She's lots of fun.
Oh my God, no.
She has her shit together.
You're gonna stick around because you're gonna have to approve this, Miss CFO.
And she drives everyone crazy.
This tone.
Keep it. Well, just tell me before I'm done with all of it.
But it's with love.
Don't do that. I have to focus.
You're in my shot.
Are we rolling right now? Oh, I have the microphone on.
See the love?
You didn't care at all. You didn't pay attention at all.
Thank you, Christina.
It's called multitasking, Mariana.
Good enough, Christina?
Oh God.
You use so many curse words right now.
Come on, Christina.
I used one.
Is that better? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, never mind, I'm done.
You got it.
Something. Okay, your turn.
That's it. All right, I'm done.
Yes. When? What do you mean no?
That's all you get.